Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best Murphy beds that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have Murphy Cube Cabinet Bed. The Murphy Cube by Night and Day Furniture features a unique construction that's designed to take up very little room without mounting to the wall. When closed, this bed looks like a chest or cabinet. Once assembled, it requires minimal lifting for easy use. To convert it from a cabinet to a bed, users remove the top, fasten the latches, pull out the legs, and fold it down. The included mattress unfolds easily to rest on top of the support system. This bed is designed to take up 10 square feet when closed. Users don't need to purchase an additional mattress since it includes a 6-inch gel memory foam model that folds into the chest. The bed is made from solid hardwood and is available in multiple finishes. Moving on at number 4, we have Full Wall Bed. The BStar wall bed with desk is ideal for an office or other multi-purpose space, as it features a small desk on the exterior, making the piece functional when the bed is closed. This product has a white exterior with dark brown accents, and it folds down into a full-size bed. It can accommodate up to 1,000 pounds, and a dual piston system makes it easy to open and close. This wall bed doesn't come with a mattress, so you'll need to find one that's 8 to 10 inches thick and between 60 and 90 pounds. The outer desk offers 18 inches of workspace, and it can support up to 50 pounds at a time. At number 3, we have BStar Queen Murphy Bed. The BStar Pure Murphy Bed has a traditional design that looks like a regular cabinet when closed. The bed comes in full and queen sizes, and there are multiple finishes available to match your decor. To open the bed, you simply pull on the 2 handles, and a piston-assisted design lets you lower the mattress with minimal effort. This wall bed is fairly simple, but its classic design will easily blend into your home. It should be used with a mattress that weighs between 60 and 90 pounds and it can support up to 1,000 pounds. The only downside is that it's made from particle board, which isn't the most durable material. At number 2, we have full-size Deluxe Murphy Bed Kit. DIY enthusiasts can create their own pull-down bed with a Murphy Bed Kit. Designed by Create a Bed, this kit includes the necessary hardware to install a vertical, wall-mounted Murphy bed, leaving the bed frame and storage cabinet design up to the installer. To make the process more accessible, an included step-by-step DVD and illustrated instruction booklet breaks down the building process. This kit is for a full-size bed, but twin and queen-size options are also available. This kit includes the necessary mounting hardware, 2 pistons, and 2 bed frame legs, all of which are made from sturdy black steel. And finally at number 1, BStar Nebula Queen Murphy Bed. BStar offers plenty of Murphy bed solutions, and the Nebula collection is a simple, relatively affordable option for most people, available in white, gray, black, or white and gray. The dual piston system with a folding leg makes it easy to fold the bed up and down in seconds. Plus, the slatted bed platform is compatible with queen-size mattresses between 8 to 12 inches thick. Although it is constructed from particle board, this material is compliant with the federal formaldehyde emissions standard. We like that this model houses just a bed, but you can also get the Nebula Murphy bed with built-in storage option.